This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jerry Lynn Kierstead. Don't miss an opportunity to own this stunning, fully updated condo with impact windows and sliding glass door. The unit shows like a model home with its new kitchen, porcelain tile floors and stylish fixtures. Parking is conveniently located right at your front door. This active 55-plus community is set on 113 wooded and beautifully landscaped acres interlaced with walking/biking trails. The community boasts 2 heated pools, clubhouse, tennis courts, exercise room, billiards room, and library. It also offers rental spaces for your boat, RV or motorcycle. This beautiful condo will surely sell quickly. Schedule your tour today. For more information, review the details below.